equipment. Exciting day here at Color Matrix. Still doing the last part. Welcome everybody. Exciting day here at Color Matrix. As we got Kyle, the regional sales manager here from Exile Technologies, waiting on the service spec to fly in. Should be in here about 12:30. We got the V-Lux exposing unit here for CTS, glassless, out of the box. And now we're starting to uncrate the Spyder 2 CTS. Excited to see this puppy up and running. Stay tuned and we'll keep you updated. Crate is open, comes with its own built-in ramp. So as heavy as the unit is, you'll notice it's shipped on cushioned pads, as well as the whole unit's inside resting also on foam supports, keep vibration down. I mean, the crates they built on this is what the V-Lux came in. You can see very heavy duty professional built crates. We are very excited. Can't wait to see this baby in the classroom. Okay, so we got the equipment in place. They're still doing the last parts of the install. Tomorrow will be training and operation.
Bingo. There we go.
Let's see. Oh, yes. Nice TV monitor up there. V-Lux and Spyder 2. Yeah, these are going to be very nice additions to our new automatic classroom. We've already got the InPro automatic screen reclaiming system. And we just heard today from Saati that our screen coder will be here next week. So stay tuned, give us a follow.